Solo travel is more than just taking a trip alone. It's a life-changing experience that pushes boundaries and opens doors to self-discovery. But preparing for it can feel overwhelming. What if we told you that in just 90 days, you can confidently prepare for the adventure of a lifetime? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the tools to plan, budget, pack, and thrive in a foreign culture on your own terms. Welcome to 90 Days Better, where we explore transformative habits for personal growth. In today's video, we're discussing how to prepare for solo travel in 90 days. From budgeting and packing to cultural immersion and safety, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for a fun fact about the longest solo journey ever recorded, and without further ado, let's begin. Planning a solo trip can seem daunting. According to recent statistics, solo travel bookings have increased by 42% over the past 5 years, showing that more people are embracing this path. However, common concerns include how to budget, pack efficiently, and most importantly, how to navigate a foreign culture safely. We often find ourselves asking, where do I even start? We'll break down this process step by step over the next 90 days, ensuring you're ready to take on the world. The first week is all about setting the foundation for your solo adventure. Start with destination research. Are you dreaming of vibrant streets in Barcelona or the beaches of Bali? Use tools like Google My Maps and Skyscanner to find affordable flights and map out your journey. Budgeting comes next. Apps like You Need a Budget can help you track your spending habits and create a personalized budget for the trip. This is also the time to set up an emergency fund. Aim for 10 to 15% of your travel budget. A pro tip here is to book flights and accommodation around 6 to 8 weeks out to score the best deals. Once you've picked your destination and laid out a budget, it's time to get practical with planning. Think about accommodation options. Whether you're into hostels, Airbnbs, or local guest houses, factor in what's most important: budget, safety, or meeting fellow travelers. At this stage, you'll also want to check visa requirements. Platforms like iVisa or government websites will help you figure out whether you need an e-visa or other documentation. This is a step you want to take early on to avoid any last-minute surprises. Also, get travel insurance. It's your safety net in case of accidents or unexpected disruptions. Now it's time to start booking your accommodations and finalizing your itinerary. But what about packing? In weeks 3 and 4, it's essential to think light yet practical. Use resources like Pack Hacker to figure out what you truly need, and don't forget the essentials: a power bank, a multi-adapter, and travel-sized toiletries. Consider weather conditions at your destination and pack accordingly. If you're traveling to Southeast Asia, light and breathable clothes are a must, while in colder climates, layering will be key. If you're backpacking, use packing cubes to save space and keep organized. As your trip date approaches, spend the first month working on ways to immerse yourself in the culture before you even arrive. Use apps like HelloTalk to practice the local language and gain conversational fluency. Additionally, brush up on local customs. Understanding the do's and don'ts of a country will make your experience much smoother. It's also the perfect time to familiarize yourself with public transportation, currency exchange, and local safety protocols. Research areas to avoid, and download offline maps for ease of navigation. By month 2, your trip should be well structured. Now it's time to focus on maximizing the experience. If you plan to work remotely during your trip, ensure your workspace is ready. Search for cafes or co-working spaces that are popular among digital nomads. This is particularly useful in places like Chiang Mai or Bali. You might also consider getting a SIM card upon arrival or a portable Wi-Fi device. Mentally prepare yourself for solo travel as well. Solitude is empowering, but it can feel lonely at times. Journaling can help process the emotions you'll experience and give you clarity. Remember, you're not just exploring new places, you're learning about yourself. As your departure day gets closer, focus on wrapping up loose ends. Confirm all bookings, double-check your visa, review your travel insurance details, and make copies of your important documents. This is also the perfect time to create a flexible daily itinerary. While spontaneity is key in solo travel, having a rough plan can save you time and stress. To ensure you're fully immersed in the culture, reach out to locals or fellow travelers through platforms like couchsurfing or Meetup. This is the moment to set up potential meetups, tours, or cultural experiences. If safety is a concern, research neighborhood crime statistics and always keep family or friends updated on your location. By the end of your 90-day preparation, you'll be ready to take on the world. Solo travel is transformative in ways you can't even imagine. It builds independence, adaptability, and confidence. Studies show that solo travelers often return home with a greater sense of self-reliance, not to mention enhanced problem-solving skills. Plus, immersing yourself in a new culture provides a fresh perspective that can change the way you view the world and yourself. Here's that fun fact we mentioned earlier. Did you know that the longest solo journey ever recorded lasted over 23 years? A man named Jean Béliveau walked around the world covering 75,000 kilometers on foot, crossing 64 countries. While your solo trip probably won't be this extreme, it's a reminder that the world is full of incredible possibilities for those willing to explore it. And there you have it. With a solid 90-day plan, solo travel can be one of the most enriching experiences of your life. You'll return with new skills, stories, and insights, not only about the world, but also about yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers a wide variety of transformative habits. Chances are, you could be just one video away from changing your life for the better. Check the links in the description for resources to help you prepare for your trip, and until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.